The Poo Files.
Poo Files open.
Caterpillars. Small, hairy, and easy to stand on if you don't know where you're going. Don't underestimate them, but these flaming champions can shoot their poop to a distance 40 times their body length. I'd like to see you try that.
Fart facts.
Farts. They can be flammable if they contain methane. But you don't want to go lighting them, for goodness sake. They'll burn your rectum, and you'll have to go to the bum hospital. Extremely dangerous, extremely stupid, and very, very embarrassing! Burning question. Pee. Everyone does it. But how much urine does an average adult human produce in a typical day? Place your bets.
Historical nuggets.
Ever worried you were going to be caught short in the toilet department? In medieval Scotland, entrepreneurial types would walk through the streets carrying a big bucket and a cloak. For a price, you could urinate in the bucket while they draped the cloak around you for privacy. Yeah, up here for thinking. Burning question. How much urine does an average human adult produce in a day? Around 6.3 cups. That's about 1.5 litres. But I could probably do more. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files closed.